Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different ways in which you can create a messy hair bun style if you have medium length or long hair. But before we begin, if you are new here, hi, I'm Paramjeet, a professional makeup and hair artist, and I post beauty related content here. So if you're interested, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon to turn on the notifications. Now let's get started. We will first begin by detangling the hair with a wide toothed comb. To add a little volume to my crown area, I am going to be first adding a volumizing mousse, and I am using the L'Oreal Techniart Volume Lift Mousse. Before we begin working on the bun, I am going to style the hair in the front. Since I am going for a messy bun, I want the hair in the front to also have a messy feel. So I am not using a comb, instead I am using my fingers to create the messy look. Using the thumbs, I am separating the top section from my temples till the crown area. Securing the section with a rubber band into a small ponytail. Gently loosen the band and flip the ponytail over and pass it through the loop. Loosen a few strands to create a fuller effect and also create a slight poof in the front. This is how I am styling my front hair. You can choose to style it in any way in which you are comfortable. Let me know in the comment section in case you want me to make a video on different options to style the front hair, and I would be happy to make one for you. Now let's get to the bun part. For the first method, take the hair at the back and secure it with a rubber band into a ponytail. Now divide the hair into 2 parts. Take a small section of hair from the outer corner of one part and merge it on the opposite side with the other part. Keep alternating between the strands and braiding, creating a fishtail braid. I have another detailed video on fishtail braid which I will link it here in case you want to have a look. Once you complete braiding till the end, secure it with a rubber band. Gently tug and pinch the braid to loosen some strands. Once done, rotate the braid around the rubber band and secure it into a bun with some U-pins. And your messy bun is done. In the second method, take the hair at the back and divide it into 2 parts. Secure each part into a ponytail with a rubber band. Make sure to keep the rubber bands close to one another. Now take one ponytail and divide the hair into 2 strands. Start twisting the strands around each other, creating a rope braid. Once the braid is complete, pull and tug the strands to loosen up the hair and create a messy look. Repeat the same with the other ponytail as well. Take the 2 braids and rotate them over one another and pin them into a bun. This style is especially good if you have thin and fine hair. In the final messy bun style, divide the hair into 2 parts. Make a regular 3-strand braid with one part and secure it with a rubber band. Repeat the same with the other part, creating 2 regular braids. You can gently tug and pull out a few strands to create a more messy feel. Now rotate the two braids around each other and secure it with U-pins to create a bun. Each method creates a different kind of messy bun, so it's really your choice as to the kind of messy bun you want. You can create it on the top or also on the side to make it appear more stylish and match it with your outfit. And those are the different ways in which I create a messy bun hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be eagerly waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.